What's happening, guys? I'm Curtis, and this is probably going to be the messiest day on this channel. Last episode, you guys saw me kind of get started on gluing up this foam buck that we have here. This is eventually going to turn into a mold so we can mold our fiberglass hood and cowling and whatnot. We didn't get that far because the glue that I'm using, this stuff, Gorilla Glue, it works really well with this foam, but it takes like 24 hours to dry. So it's kind of, you got to glue one piece of foam, clamp it, leave it for a day, come back, yada, yada, yada. So I finished the glue up kind of off camera throughout the week. So now we got a full foam buck. And today I want to get at least the general shape cut out of both sides of the buck. I've already got a pretty good start on the other side. So let's go take a look at that and see what we're aiming at here. So this is where we're at so far on the right hand side. It's, you know, pretty good shape. Following those contour boards that we put in earlier, those really help. So it's got a pretty nice hood line. That hot wire cutter didn't work at all, but what I found is just a hacksaw blade works pretty good for kind of getting the rough cuts. And then I went out and bought it's just like a wood rasp, really rough. That works pretty good for getting some contours. And then an orbital sander just finishes it off. So we're gonna grab those tools and we're gonna get started forming the other side and get the other side where it's all blocky still to match this side.
To remember, now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your heart. Feel it in your legs. Feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go. Just let your body go. Just let your body go. So much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms. Feel it in your legs. Feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go. Just let your body go. Just let your body go. To the rhythm.
All right, now that we got the general shape, both front to back and side to side, now comes the hard part. We have to try to make this side look the exact same as this side. I think it's just mostly gonna be by feel and by eyeball, but we'll grab the sander and give her. All right, guys, unfortunately we're gonna have to cut a little short. While I was shaping this nose cone, it gets pretty thin here at the bottom and it was getting pretty flexible. So I carved up a couple of little blocks that I'll glue in there, and then that'll give it some backing. But because I have to glue it and then wait, 12 hours for the glue to dry, that's we won't be able to do any more shaping until next episode. So it is what it is. But until then, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'm out of here.